Today in Final Cut Pro, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue that I have seen plaguing all of YouTube. However, if you came to this video to fix a completely different type of flickering, I want to make sure that you don't leave here sad. So at the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you how to fix the flickering that you might see when working with LED lights and you have filmed at a weird frequency. Let's get into the first type of flickering that I'm seeing all across YouTube. This flickering only seems to be visible on Apple XDR displays. I have no idea the technical reasons as to why that is, but I do know how to fix it, so I'm going to show you how to do just that. All you will need to do is push Command 7. That is going to give you this waveform view. If you don't have this view, you can click on this menu here, make sure you have waveform selected, and then select RGB overlay. So if we take a look here at the 100 IRE mark, you can see that our highlights are blown way past it, and that is the root cause of the issue. All you're going to want to do is push Command 6 to get up some color wheels. Go ahead and click to add a new set of color wheels and drag down your highlights so that they sit below the 100 IRE mark. Once you've done that, you should be good to go. You can export this to YouTube and you won't see that strange flickering happening. Another fix you could do if you don't want to deal with using color wheels is you could jump inside of your effects browser and look up the broadcast safe effect. Go ahead and just apply that. That is going to cap your video at the 0 mark and the 100 mark. They won't be able to go past it. And again, this is going to resolve that issue. Now, if you're here to fix the other type of flickering that you might see, perhaps you are using an LED light at a strange frequency. If I push play, you can see we have some of that flickering happening up here in the top left. All we're going to do to fix that is push Option, click and drag to duplicate that clip. Then we're going to push period to move it over a single frame. After that, we can jump on up into our video inspector and set the opacity of the overlying clip down to 50%. Now that we've done that, if I push play, you'll see that that flickering has totally vanished. If this video was helpful to you, consider pressing that like button, consider subscribing, and you might want to check out this video where I show you how to recreate a really cool looking Mr. Beast paper cutout effect in Final Cut Pro.